Visual, uploading an image of a person in casual clothes. Prompt, change outfit to a futuristic cyberpunk jacket with neon accents. Voiceover. All right, now let's have a little fun with this. I just uploaded a simple image of someone wearing regular everyday clothes. Nothing too flashy, yet. But here's where the magic happens. Using a quick prompt, I'm asking Flux to transform their outfit into something straight out of a cyberpunk future. Think glowing neon lines, high-tech materials. Uploading a portrait photo. Prompt, replace background with a glowing galaxy, stars, and nebula. Voiceover. Now for some background magic. Here's a simple portrait shot, and I want to completely transform it into a stunning, space-themed poster. All I had to do was type in glowing galaxy and just wait until you see the result. The stars, vibrant nebula clouds, and radiant glow all blend beautifully behind the subject, giving the whole image an otherworldly, cosmic vibe. It really turns an ordinary photo into something spectacular and imaginative with just a few clicks. All right, the image has already been generated, and wow, just look at this transformation. The original portrait now has an incredible glowing galaxy as its background, filled with stars, swirling nebulae, in vibrant cosmic colors. The contrast between the subject and the deep space backdrop really makes the whole image pop. It's amazing how a simple change like this can completely shift the mood and turn a regular photo into a stunning, space-themed poster. The glowing elements add a sense of depth and mystery that really captures your imagination. Visual, uploading a photo with watermarks around it. Prompt, remove all watermarks in this image. Now for some background magic. Here's a simple portrait shot, and I want to turn it into a space-themed poster. All I said was remove all watermarks and wait until you see the result. Here it is. All watermarks have been removed, so you're looking at the clean, final image. If you want even better quality, you can convert it to 4K resolution for sharper details and enhanced clarity. This way, your image will look stunning, whether you're viewing it on a big screen or using it for professional I've used a ton of AI image tools, but Flux.1 Kontext AI is on another level when it comes to actual image editing, not just generation. The fact that it's free to try with 200 credits makes it a no-brainer. Go play around with it. Upload your own pics, use my prompts, or try your own wild ideas. I'll drop all the prompts I used in the description below so you can copy and test them out. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and let me know in the comments what kind of image you want me to try next with Flux.1. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more AI and creative tech content. See you in the next one.